Hey guys, welcome back to another Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out this laser leveling tool. So I'm pretty excited to get testing this out. This is actually going to be a gift for somebody. So I hope it's as good as they say. It's a 2D cross-line laser. So yeah, I am excited to check this out and see how it looks and how it performs. So we want to try and keep this box in good condition here. Normally I rip open my boxes. Alright, so that's a plus. It comes with a nice carrying bag. It's top loaded, which is nice. I can't stand the ones that are side loaded that everything falls out. They give you a manual, that's good. They give you your power cable, also good. This is the device itself, and it looks like you can mount it on a tripod. So you got the bracket for a tripod. On the back there's where you charge it. Looks pretty nice. Power button on the top. Lock and unlock feature, that's nice. Okay. So it looks like, okay, we'll have to play with that a little bit here. And let's see here. Alright, so they actually provide you with the leveling tool and everything needed. So it's fully adjustable. You can adjust it completely. Fully rotatable. It looks like you can actually mount this on a wall as well. There's a bracket on the back. It almost looks like it's magnetized as well. That's awesome. Let's make sure we don't miss anything in the package. No. Okay, so easily mount it nice and level on here like this. Once you have it on there, you can then twist this little blue pin and this locks it. Once you start hearing it kind of thread off, you're good to go. And now this can be rotated on here 360 degrees while you're holding this or while you set it down for leveling. Fully adjustable. Like I said, the height can be lifted up higher as well. So, you know, if you're sticking it on something, you can have it on something like a table, let it go. However you want to do it. Press and hold. So as you guys can see, the laser line here. Nice quality. You can do vertical and horizontal. You guys see this? So vertical and horizontal. You got the cross pattern motion or just a single line. And you can lock it and unlock it. So if you want to lock, you know, make sure you follow your manual, but press and hold the power button, by the way, to turn it on, and then press and hold it again to turn it off. But as you can see, this will help you level out, and you can adjust it however you need.